What's up, guys? This is WellGamer64, and we're doing Super Cat Bros. Sorry if I sound like I just woke up. The point is I did, and I'm very tired, but I made a vow. Like last month, I think, crap. I made a vow that I would do, my videos. I made a vow that I would do my videos. Crap! Dang it. I made a vow that I would do my videos every day now. And I would keep that vow. Sorry I kept saying the same thing. Crap! Run! No! Like, no! No! Ow! Where's this bell? Crap! Okay, no. Wait, why did I keep saying that? Fudge! Is there anything that I can jump off? No! Is there a way that I can get the bell? I guess not. Crap, okay. There was a bat just laying there. Well, at least I think it was a bat. If it wasn't a bat, that would be very stupid. Run, bruh! Run! Oh no, not today. Am I out of the cave? Thank Lord, because that cave was annoying. Really? Wait, can I get on it? I want to get on it. I want to get on it. Crap, I can't. Okay, so I want to do the thing. Crap. Slammed into the wall. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's the Tin Army. Their soldiers close to Coconut Island. This is the perfect chance to sneak onto the cruise ship. Run, bruh! Since I have enough time, I at least want to sneak on the cruise ship. Oh, really? Man, I thought I was gonna have to like do crap to sneak on the cruise ship. Fudge. I would need this guy. Boom. Pew, pew. Crap. Yeah, boy. What was that? Ah. Okay, here I am. Get over here. Dang. Oh, wait. Is this the cruise ship from the beginning? When I was trapped? I don't think so. Help. Help me. Get over here. I'm gonna catch that mouse someday. Mice. Okay, that's a mouse. Break down. Yeah, call the police. Okay, call the police on me. Okay, I'm kidding. Like not in real life. I mean the game. Woo! Why did I? I'm back. Why am I so quiet? It's like I'm trying to focus. Oh gosh. We're almost done. If I got to 6 o'clock, woo, I'm flying. It's like not today. Woohoo. Okay, guys. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, click the subscribe button. Turn on the notification. Wait. Click the subscribe button. Smack that like button, but don't hurt it. Turn on the notifications so you won't have to miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time.